Hello, welcome to Market Call. I'm Michael Hainsworth. For the next hour, we've got David Burrows here, President and Chief Investment Strategist at Barometer Capital Management, taking your calls, emails, and tweets on North American large caps. If you'd like to join us, we've opened up the phone lines now at 1-855-326-6266. You can email marketcall@bnn.ca if you prefer, or follow me on Twitter and send off a 140-character question. David, welcome back.
It's good to be here.
What a day to be back. That pendulum seems to have swung into the green column as of late.
It sure has. You know, when you think about all of the news that the market has faced over the last few weeks coming through this seasonally tough period, market's hung in remarkably well. What you like to see in a good market is that when you take some of the pressure off, you see the leadership come right back to the top. Mm-hmm. And you know, this market has held in very, very well relative to what happened, you know, going back to 2011, the last time we were talking about debt ceilings.
So day 10 of the shutdown, just a temporary headwind, you say?
Well, look at it, you can't make light of it. It's a serious thing, but the reality is the market is handling this news pretty well, you know, given all of the news flow that we've had going through September and here into October. To be only a few percentage points off the highs, I think, is pretty good. You saw a little bit of weight come off today, and the leading stocks really are charging back towards highs. So in general, I think market's handling things very well. You've
been telling your clients that the market leadership is concentrated in mid-sized companies. Are we to be focused on investing in mid-cap companies then?
Well, certainly mid-caps have been outperforming large cap. Part of that is seasonal. Part of it is that many of the companies that have been doing well are more focused on the U.S. domestic economy. Mm-hmm. You know, the consumer is 72% of the U.S. economy. There's a lot of companies that are focused on the consumer. Consumer discretionary has been one of the leading sectors in the market so far this year, as has healthcare, and that's more U.S. focused. Mm-hmm. So we're in a market where you've seen valuations on stocks in general expand, the earnings multiples, and now you are really in a mode where stock selection becomes a lot more important and finding those that are going to be able to grow going forwards and put up better numbers, and there seems to be a little bit better growth in the mid caps.
Well then, let's take a break because you've jammed up our phone lines already. We're going to be talking today about North American equities with David Burrows, President and Chief Investment Strategist at Barometer Capital Management. If you've got a question, call us toll free at 1-855-326-6266. When we come back, we'll find out if there's any green to be made in a giant silver screen company.